Hey guys, this is Alex here with Harley-Davidson. Hey, we've been getting a lot of questions on our RCX pipes that we have for the new Milwaukee 807 cubic inch motor, or you can do them on the 114. They're the 4.5 size. This one has to be particularly happens to be the chrome with the Gatlin tip on it. This is on a anniversary street glide, and we're just going to start it up for you, let you take a listen here. Jim, go ahead and turn it on. Alright, so that was the RCX pipes. If you guys got any questions or interested in maybe putting them on your bike, give us a call, 570-784-453. Again, Alex, Harley-Davidson.